Hello composers, Mike here. Capture recording in Logic Pro X. It's a lifesaver, and I will show you why right now. I will also give you a bonus tip in the end of this video. Now let's say I just play that in as one of my creative experiments, as you do when you create music, or that I simply forgot to activate the record button and thought I was recording, but I actually was not. Well, that's when capture record comes in, because Logic can actually record what you play in the background, hidden. Now, if I simply press this capture recording button, I will get the full performance I just played without using the actual recording button. Let's check this out. Voila! The full track is here. And now I can use this and go into the editor, change edited notes, edit the velocities, copy this to another instrument in my composition, or whatever I want to, because this is the same as if I would have recorded it with a real record button. Now here's my bonus tip for you. The capture record feature will even work when you are in cycle mode. For example, if you have looped this section and simply play around testing some various things on this track without actually recording. So let me show you this now. So if we stop there now, if I now click on the capture record button, I actually played 3 various things here, just playing around and trying things. Well, Logic actually created various track alternatives out of those. But in order for this to work, I will show you what you need to do to set this up. You go up to Preferences, Recording here, and then in overlapping recordings, if cycle is on, create track alternatives. I like to have that option on, which means that every time it cycles around, it will create a new take here. So I can now listen back to each of these takes. No, I didn't like that one. Well, activate this one instead. Perhaps not. Activate this one instead. Alright, so let's say you want to choose this one, simply press this button and now that is selected and you can hide this here. Check out my complete video series on Logic Pro X tutorials and tips here on my channel. Learn and master Logic Pro X to boost your music composition and production workflow.